right? Click on OK. Now the voice you are hearing is without noise, and you can increase it if you want, but I guess. Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer. I know a lot of you are using Discord for gaming, calls, and hanging out with friends. And let's be real, audio quality can sometimes be hit or miss. We have all been there when a teammate sounds like they are broadcasting from a tinny can, right? So today I'm sharing two awesome tools that I rely on for noise removal. The number one, Krisp noise removal, and the second one is NVIDIA RTX Voice. I started with the Krisp because it's super user friendly and works great. I even tried out Clownfish voice changer, but honestly it can be a bit tricky sometimes. Maybe I will do a separate video on it later, sharing tips and tricks to get it working smoothly because it's totally free too. Now back to our main tool. NVIDIA RTX Voice is a game changer and considering the best in the biz, but it does have some requirements that might not fit everyone's setup. Still, I absolutely love it for noise removal and it's free to use. Now let's dive in and make your audio sounds top notch. Currently I'm using without any effect or filter, so you can guess the sound quality. Now the first one is Krisp voice removal, and then hit enter. You will get here the website. Actually, I will provide the link in the description. It will be easier for you guys to navigate on this website and then get Krisp for free. Click on that. Now you need to require a sign up. You can also use the continue with Google or Microsoft, whichever you prefer. Okay, once your sign up done, now there's a few questions for you. Let's make this feel like home. What features will you mainly use script for? Transcripting, recording, AI notes, noise cancellation. Currently we are using for this, and then click on continue. Now you can just skip it further. And once you have done this, now download for Windows. Click on this and just wait a few minutes or second depending on your internet performance. Save it somewhere. In my case I'm using desktop, and then click on save. Now your download is begin and it's around 236 MB. Browser, and here you have, just right click on it, run as administrator, and then you can install. Click on install. Now creating system restore point, so whenever you are facing any issue with this tool, you can just restore your PC on the working point. And here we go guys, it's almost done. Simply you can open the application and it's look like this. Now simply you need to click on sign in, and again you can just log in using your Google account. Alright, that's it guys. Now simply you can see here the two different options right now. The first one is noise cancellation. Simply you need to choose your microphone that currently you are using, and the other one is Krisp speaker. So just suppose if you are on Discord with someone and if you want to remove noise from his voice, then you can also choose here headphone or speaker that you are using for hearing the sound, right? You can choose here, and you need to also enable this one as well, and boom, it will work. And you can also disable both if you want, but right now that's it guys for the Krisp. Now let's move on the second tool, which is one of my favorite. You can simply open Google Chrome and you can type here RTX Voice and then hit enter. Now you will get here the website link. Again I will provide the link in the description. It will be easier for you to navigate. Now once you are here, simply you can see here a requirement. A new version of RTX Voice is available as noise removal in the NVIDIA Broadcast app. For NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, Quadro RTX 3000, Titan RTX or higher, NVIDIA Broadcast require NVIDIA display drivers as well. But right now to use RTX Voice, you must have an NVIDIA GTX or RTX graphic card. Update to the driver are newer and be on Windows 10. So currently I'm using Windows 11. It still work. You can just scroll down a bit and you will see here the setup guide in which download the app. For NVIDIA RTX GPU or higher, you can go with the broadcasting app, and for simple. You can download the RTX, a nice removal. Now it's around 328.78 MB. Just click on the download. Alright guys, while installing the RTX Voice, it just destroyed my recording. So here I am on OBS right now, and you are hearing the raw form of audio. There's no filter right now, and you are hearing this voice without filters. So the thing is, after installing, you will see the icon over here. Now I was saying that you cannot choose your output directly from here, from here, right? Always choose here the speaker or headphone that you are using without NVIDIA RTX Voice. Alright, if you use with NVIDIA RTX Voice, it will destroy your gaming experience. And yeah, you can choose the remove background noise from incoming voice, but you cannot choose it directly from here. You can, if you want to choose this function, the output device noise cancellation function, then you need to do a step. I will show you over here. Currently I'm using here the input device microphone, and you are hearing the raw form because I did not change my microphone from here. So here I'm choosing the RTX, NVIDIA RTX voice, right? Click on OK. Now the voice you are hearing is without noise, and you can increase it if you want, but I guess mostly I use it over here somewhere, because the more noise suppression can destroy your voice quality. Okay, now the second thing, how to use it in game or on Discord. So here's the Discord. First you need to launch your Discord, and then you need to choose the RTX for voice. Like, go into the setting first, and then you need to go into the voice and video, and then you can choose here the NVIDIA RTX Voice. It will remove the noise. But if you are using this one, then definitely you need to uncheck these options, like the echo cancellation and noise suppression, because Discord have their own noise suppression feature. So you need to disable this, and yeah, it will work fine. And yeah, it's working fine. And now if you want that your opponent or your friend have a noisy mic, then you can also choose here the speaker NVIDIA RTX Voice. So it will remove the noise from your friend microphone without noise. So that's the method for Discord. Now for gaming, you can simply go into the game, but as I said, make sure choose the microphone without RTX. Right now I'm using my headphones. I plug in my headphones in my microphone, and I'm not using the NVIDIA RTX because it will remove the experience of gaming voices effects like abilities, the footsteps, etc. So that's why I'm using here the simple output device. Now let's jump into the game, and I'll show you how to set your RTX voice for noise cancellation for your teammates. So guys, in the game, simply you need to go here into the settings, and then you need to go into the audio settings, and then voice chat. Now here you can see input. You can use your NVIDIA RTX. It will remove the noise. And for output devices like your friends, if your friend is using a noisy mic, then you can choose here the speaker NVIDIA RTX. It will remove noise from output devices like incoming voices. Now the thing is, might be you are confused why it's choosing your headphones on speakers NVIDIA RTX, because we choose here the output device is our headphones. Got it? So in case if I go into the game and I choose the NVIDIA RTX, then you see voice is totally.
My ultimate's ready. Careful now.
See? So what you need to do here for smooth voice in game, you can choose here the speaker.
Careful now. Flash. Watch your eyes.
So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you love it. If you love it, please hit the like button and subscribe, and please drop your feedback. Let me know in the comment sections. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.